Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Today we're going to draw the winner for one of these journals for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway, and then I'm going to try and draw a second name, and I'm hoping that we'll get somebody different so we can give away 2 journals today. In that video I laid them out and I showed you all of those in other videos, so I'm not going to do it in this one, but this was M, N, O, and P. So when we pull up a subscriber, we'll know which one they chose. I just want to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're enjoying my videos, be sure to click subscribe. It's free and it shows me that I should keep making videos, and I really appreciate it. I just thank all of you who have supported me, followed me, and become friends. I think it's super fun. So here we go. I've put the link in here. And we're not going to try and search for the M or the N. I'm not that fancy. So we're going to get the comments and see how many entered. We have 51 that are in there. And our first one is... Here we go. It is Kathy D. I think they're all great, but I would prefer N if I won. Congratulations on your milestone. Thank you so much, Kathy. I really, really appreciate your support, and I washed my hands before I touched these. And then if you could leave me a comment down below and tell me what your favorite color is, or actually leave me a comment that says, I saw this, and then find me on Instagram or email me at craftingandrelaxing@gmail.com. And there, will you tell me what your favorite color is along with your contact information, so when I send it, I could maybe add in a little extra. And since you picked N, so she picked the clean cut one, so that kind of gives me an idea of her style too, so I won't put anything like junky in her box. Okay, so N is taken. Let's try and draw another one and see how we do. I haven't done this before, so let's see if it works out. Start. Here we go again. Da, 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 da. Hopefully it's somebody who picked a different one. Barb Buckley. Oh, what a nice thing to do. Barb said she would like M or N. So Barb, I'm going to go ahead and send you M. So will you do the same thing? Acknowledge below this video that you saw it, and then email me at craftingandrelaxing@gmail.com or message me on Instagram. Tell me your favorite color, and both of you get your contact information to me. Thank you so much to everybody, and I'm sorry that not everybody can win. Take time for crafting and relaxing, and be good to yourselves. Bye-bye.